through dark forests. Ooh, past sleeping dragons.
Papa, no. Tell the one about today.
All right. Once upon a morning, a family came into a farm, which they were slowly trying to turn into their home. A very brave boy and girl found themselves on a farm
Wow, Ivan, look at those cute horses.
with many farm animals and fields that went on and on and on.
Okay, now, shall I do one about the delicious mangoes?
Oh yeah, they tasted like magic. This tastes like magic. Appa, what about my brinjals?
And the girl discovered the most magnificent brinjal known to man. So fresh, so delicious.
Yes, we got to eat them too. Don't forget Akka was scared with horses. I wasn't scared. We went like, That's just how you're supposed to stand. Appa, I want to do it again.
Yes, we will.
Lily are the best play ever. She ran free everywhere, playing fetch and exploring every corner of the farm. It was so funny when Lily stole our mangoes.
She really did have a better day than all of us. And then there was the evening light.
And all those beautiful sounds, all those birds, like the whole farm was breathing. Every family really needs a farm.